tired?
Yeah, my back hurts.
Your back hurt?
Yeah,
Just relax.
I'm already like becoming old man.
Because to exercise, that's why you only sitting in the room. You're always playing Roblox.
But that's my favorite game.
What?
If you're gonna make a business of selling ice candy,
Ice candy? You want that?
yeah,
Can we sell here?
yeah, look how there's so much trucks and strawberries.
Ah, it's better like that. Nighttime we come here, we sell. Then you will come with me, huh?
Yeah,
You will sell ice candy.
yeah, that's gonna be so
Nighttime?
good.
You want?
Yeah,
We're in the business. Deal. You want?
yeah.
Deal.